One of the benefits of home educating is the family unity portion. But if you have multiple children and you're all divided up, learning different things in science or history all at the same time, then where's the unity in that? And how, as a mom, are you going to maintain that? You're gonna burn out. This is why we love family subjects. And this can be done through a unit study or individual subjects that your family has a desire to work on together and to learn about. This year, we have 4 family subjects that we've decided to tackle together. The first subject of the day is the Bible. We have been working our way through the story, which is a narrative retelling. It reads really easily. It's everything chronologically in the Bible, but it takes out a lot of the genealogies. You're not looking at all of the laws in like Deuteronomy. This has worked out really well for our family. And we know, because it's part of our rhythm, that after breakfast, we're getting together for the Bible, and then we're going to watch World Watch. World Watch is 10-minute episodes of what's going on in the news around the world. And I have just really appreciated this. They also include a lot of science and history in their news, and they bring it all back to God. At the very end, they always end with, whatever the news, the purpose of the Lord will stand. And we just really appreciate this value in our family, and it really is educational. It keeps us in touch with what's going on without creating extra anxiety. Down in the description box, you'll find my referral link where you can get some free time to try it out for your family, and it also helps out my family, so thank you for going and clicking on that. This fall, we're excited to add Spanish into our family subjects. Morgan from Life of Tillmans was telling me about Master Books starting up a new interactive e-course, and it looks really good. It's for beginners of all ages, which we are definitely all beginners, so we are going to be doing this. I'm really excited about it. I think it's going to fit in with our family rhythms really well. We'll also be doing science and history together as a family, and you can see what we're doing for these subjects either in this video here about our unit studies or here about loop scheduling, as we won't be doing each thing every day. So make sure to click on one of those after you have subscribed.